We got brand new Elka shocks on the $600 quad, a fully rebuilt KTM 450, and a clapped out Predator. Finally time to have a good rip at the gravel pit, or do we? Alright, Wyatt, it's your first time being on a big boy bike.
450.
Yeah, finally got her going and...
Gonna let me wreck it.
Oh.
What could possibly go wrong?
Yeah, it's trust issues as we speak. So this is right up your alley. He's got a kickstand already. He's got electric start. I mean, what else could you ask for?
250.
I mean, this sits a little lower than a 250.
What?
I mean, if it had a little bit of a, this is the aftermarket seat. So if this wasn't on there and you had OEM seat, it'd sit even lower for you. But no, here we are. So well, let's get her warmed up. Oh, just how Wyatt likes it. Might have to let it warm up a little bit. Oh, 450, a tuned 450. It's got a tuner on it. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think he likes it. He's gonna have a dirt bike here in a couple months, I guarantee it. Well, I don't hear him anymore, so either he fell, stalled it, or there's an issue. Oh, I hear him. He's coming. Neutral's hard to hit. Neutral's hard to hit when it's running for whatever reason. You look pretty good on that.
Yeah.
That's good. You were down there for, I was like, I don't hear it. Did he dump it?
Wait, stop sign.
Yeah.
You're gonna make me miss 2 wheels because I didn't eat it.
The electric start's nice too.
Yeah.
It is very nice. The old XP Turbo.
It's not doing so hot.
We got it fixed and then we broke it again.
Typical Brapaholic fashion.
And it was just a test drive, but now we know why it wasn't working properly.
We think we know the main culprit to the manifold gasket and the head gasket.
Yeah.
So, still don't like the Rev 6 power head gasket.
Nope. But anyways, make a long story short, the turbo's cooked.
Turbo.
She's done. Cooked.
Just bring the marshmallows. We could have made some s'mores.
Yeah, she is seized up, bearings ground. She is done. She ain't moving anywhere.
Got 3 options, and we're probably going to option 3 rebuild.
All right, why? So what's going on with the old Predator now?
Oh, you know, she's just leaking oil, like a typical Polaris.
Yeah. The clutch mechanism right here is leaking oil, so we're gonna take it off. There's a 8mm bolt. Take it off. There should be an O-ring right there. Should not be in hard fix whatsoever. What's up, guys? It is me, Wyatt, and Brock. We're gonna see who has the best Predator here. The sleeper or the spunky one. I don't know what you want to call that one. So anyways, I'm on the bike. We're gonna head to the gravel pit and just have a good time. Guess we're ready to roll. What's up? What's going? Maybe your thermostat's bad. This is the thermostat up here. Well, it's a temp gauge then. It tells it when to turn on. Mine went out. The fan wouldn't turn on. I changed it and it fixed my issue. Yeah, this thing right here. Yeah. Well, if we find something, we can bypass that out. Otherwise, must be the solder's pulled out or. Open up! Okay, let me know. I work around when I ain't on the phone. This ain't a home, this ain't a phone. Grind never stopping, I'm keeping it cold. I'm locking the door with the holy key. You supposed to be close to me. Hopefully, you on the stage, you make me this cold. I'm talking like no degrees. This ain't a fluke. I seen it way before it ever happened. It gave me the view. I had to put in my time on the TV. Coming in soon. I couldn't leave it all up to a very own experience. You gotta get it to do what it do. So complicated, homie, it's you. Always gonna wait until you in the mood. I've been running, came up, gunning, stop the fighting. On your words, what you hear, not what you heard. I'ma hang on every verb. I'ma show you what it's worth. Everything I'm earth till they put me in a blur. I'ma get it. Ooh. First, say I'ma get into it first. Until they put me in the dirt. Say I'ma get into it first. Say I'ma get into it. I can't break, that's the thing about me. I won't put these goals on freeze. I can't break, that's the thing about me. I won't put these goals on freeze. You cannot stop me, I need this bitch and rock me. Termination like I'm Rocky, lift the heavy, no spot please. Body back a beating and I get away scotch-free. And I'ma take control, unbreakable. A little bit of a drop off there.
I didn't realize it was really out on the other side. It was good until I went over.
Yeah, she's got a little bit of a drop off right there.
Still a little.
Been there, done that.
If I had plastic, I would have been fine. I hit my knees on these
Ooh, yeah.
Sorry, I trooped her through. I kept riding.
Yeah.
I smoked my finger, I think, on the back of my clutch lever like that.
Ah, the joys of riding.
Oh, it's good. I overcome my fear and went for it.
Yeah?
Fuck it.
Hey, you did good.
If I had the razor, I'd go up this one, but I don't feel like trying that on the quad.
Oh, you can make it up that.
I feel like dying today.
How was the bike life?
Heavy.
That is a heavy bike, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Took a minute to get used to. I was way more used to the 250.
Yep.
Plush ride.
It's a plush ride. It's just heavy. It's hard to maneuver it
Turning
freely.
a little bit.
Dustin said the same thing when he rode it. The front tire is not gripping very well.
It's probably more of a trail tire.
Yeah, could be. It does not do well in the sand, that's for sure. The back tire is getting a little bald. But
Quad's ripping good. Surprising.
yeah. Better than Breck's quad.
Hey, it's still ripping. It just doesn't know how hot it is.
That's true. You just gotta go really fast down the road and it'll be good.
So just drive normal.
Yeah.
Tell you what though, screw twist throttles. Thumb throttles are the way to go. When I get my bike, I don't care about what you guys say, and I'm putting thumb throttle on it. If I had a thumb throttle on my 2019, it would have been broke off the first day.
Yeah.
So, what's going on, bud?
I bought a KTM, that's what happened.
Gucci.
I don't know what's so special about this thing. It's a piece of shit, is what it is.
Piece of shit. It's this piece of shit?
So I have no idea what happened. It's got a brand new rebuild and everything. And I've put about 4 hours since the rebuild. And went trail riding, went to the gravel pit, everything was all dandy. Everything sounded great, it was running good. And I got to the stop sign and I was having fun. I just pinned it. Go, ma, 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 ma. Blah. Now what? She locked up. Just stopped. I mean, you guys watched the video. I had it on video. got oil in it, but it won't crank over. Something's locked up.
It's really pretty.
It looks good. It's a piece of shit. So I don't know if the timing chain broke.
It's just been a bad day.
It's been a bad day, and then I blew up his turbo today. So
I would have blew it up if I would have drove it too. So probably out in the field rather than on the road. But and then this lovely pile of crap decided to blow its head gasket today too. Just now I found it.
Replaced all of his head gaskets, and yeah, I think your clutch lever leak stopped, didn't it?
I don't know. I ain't been looking at it.
No, she's leaking still too.
No.
That's not
Just a fucking
that ain't a hard fix.
dandy. And then that new puddle there.
Go ahead.
Fucking shit.
Uh,
So, 2800. This could be someone else's problem too. It's got the Let's Go Brandon edition stickers on it. In the market for a Predator again?
no,
No.
I'm not.
I mean, everything's on it. It's pretty much brand new.
At this point, I might just get a Sportsman or a Scrambler, to be honest.
Oh man, are you okay riding, bitch? Because I know Brandon's going to drive.
I'm okay with that. So it's time to see what happened to the bike. Best case scenario, I'm hoping that the timing chain snapped. So I got the valve cover off, the timing chain is not broke, and everything looks well lubricated at the top end. Next step is to, I guess, look at the piston. I don't know if I blew up the brand new piston already, but it's seized up. So I have it tore apart. As far as I know, everything is fine. The only thing I can find so far is that the connecting rod on the crankshaft has set up. That's what, the piston's good, cylinder looks fine, the head's free, nothing's seized up on the top end. So for whatever reason, the bottom end, which is brand new, it's set up. So I'm wondering if something plugged up an oil canal or something. That's the only thing I can think of why. I put it together right. So I'll have to tear it apart, we'll get new parts and ordered, and then we're gonna put it back together, and we're sending this bike down the road. So yeah, really weird. I don't know what happened. So
You know what to do. Where do we go from here? Don't let it rule you. Everything's gonna be alright.